In a quiet lab, researchers unveil adaptive metamaterials that bend sound like light, transforming how spaces feel. An expert explains how tiny, programmable structures tune acoustics in real time, offering privacy, focus, and comfort. From open offices to concert halls, these materials adapt to occupancy and noise, reducing energy use and clutter. The discussion shifts to challenges like manufacturing scales, durability, and integration with existing walls and ceilings. Looking ahead, researchers imagine smart buildings that listen, learn, and tailor soundscapes for every moment of life. This could redefine everyday acoustic experiences.